Because of its immense success and popularity, I know you'll have heard somewhere the term cryptocurrency. People have made millions of dollars using these digital currencies. So why has crypto risen so fast over the past decade? How do people earn such a handsome amount of cash using this technology? That's exactly what we're going to discuss in this video, so make sure you stay with us right to the end. Crypto, or cryptocurrency, is a digital currency that uses digital files as money. It is called cryptocurrency because it uses encryption for verifying transactions. This currency can be exchanged online for services and goods without the involvement of a bank, and this is what makes it special. Blockchain is a technology that is used for the working of cryptocurrency and records and manages transactions. For ensuring the security of transactions, it uses digital safeguards. Fraud can be reduced through this type of transaction because of its transparency. Cryptocurrencies cannot be controlled by one government or one person. Now, let us discuss it in detail. Many attempts were made in the 1990s to create digital currencies, but all of them failed. However, in 2008, a peer-to-peer cash system was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto using centralized control. Before we get to our main topic, you need to understand the basic characteristics of cryptocurrency. Here they are. Number 1. Anonymous nature. Cryptocurrency is rising worldwide because of its anonymous nature. It's not possible to identify the parties involved in its transaction. Number 2. Secured. Funds are securely locked in the system by cryptography. Only the owner can exchange cryptocurrency. 3. Irreversible. It is irreversible. The transaction can't be reversed once it's confirmed and added to the blockchain. Number 4. Fast and worldwide. Due to its global nature, transactions can be made worldwide. It is very fast and can be mined and confirmed in a few minutes. As compared to traditional banking systems, it is much faster. Number 5. Free to use. Cryptocurrency exchange does not require permission to use. One can download and use it for free. That sounds great. The top 5 cryptocurrencies. There are about 1,300 cryptocurrencies that are used worldwide, but we will discuss the top 5 among them. Let's have a look. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most commonly used and the first cryptocurrency to be traded. It is on the top of all cryptocurrencies, with a market cap of around $180 billion at the time of this recording. It is regarded as the gold standard for this industry. Number 2. Ethereum. Next to Bitcoin, Ethereum is the most commonly used cryptocurrency. It was developed in 2015 and has a market cap of over $18 billion. Number 3. Ripple. Ripple was founded in 2012 and has a market cap of $10 billion. Besides this cryptocurrency, it can track other transactions as well. Therefore, it is used by several banks. Number 4. Litecoin. Litecoin has a market cap of around $5 billion. As compared to Bitcoin, it allows faster payments because of its mining algorithm. Number 5. Monero. Monero is an open-source cryptocurrency. Its algorithm has enhanced privacy and security features. Ways to get cryptocurrency. One can get cryptocurrency in 2 ways. One way is using an online exchange platform for buying crypto. The other way is called mining. It is quite a complicated process as it requires advanced computer equipment for solving complicated math puzzles. Uses of cryptocurrency. It is used to avoid transaction fees of the banks, for quick payments, and because of its anonymous nature. Some people also buy it for profit motives. Apart from the above uses, donations in cryptocurrency are accepted by several aid agencies. These include UNICEF, American Red Cross, and the UN World Food Program. It is just because tracking donations are made easier by cryptocurrency. Apart from it, crypto also allows financial transparency. What causes cryptocurrency to rise? Number 1. Utility of coin. The utility of a coin is essential for making cryptocurrency valuable. Crypto coin utility can also include voting rights, dividend payment, and mode of exchange. Number 2. Scarcity of the crypto. Scarcity refers to the restricted nature of digital coins. For making cryptocurrency more valuable, its demand should exceed its supply. Number 3. Perceived value of the project. The overall growth of the project development determines the value of cryptocurrency. A project that progresses very fast affects the value of its cryptocurrency. Number 4. Market capitalization. Another important indicator of the rise of the value of cryptocurrency is market capitalization. There is a boom in the cryptocurrency market despite the global pandemic. The steep rise in its value has made it a favorite topic for discussion among investors and analysts worldwide. Because of its cheaper and efficient payment solution, cryptocurrency is the first choice of merchants and consumers. Cryptocurrency payments create a more globalized and borderless economy. Due to this feasible nature, cryptocurrency continues to gain popularity in various businesses, governments, and personal financial activities. Various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ether have reached phenomenal growth since 2017. Cryptocurrency has provided speculators and investors access to a fast-growing and dynamic market. So, what are the reasons behind the rise of cryptocurrency? Number 1. Institutional adaptation. One of the main reasons behind the rise of cryptocurrency is its institutional adaptation. It is now considered a secure asset against inflation and market volatility. Now cash treasuries are converted into cryptocurrency by most public companies. Recently, $50 million worth of bitcoins were bought by an American payment company. This trend of converting money into cryptocurrency is followed by many companies now. More merit is added to cryptocurrency by the confidence of corporate giants in it. Number 2. PayPal and cryptocurrencies. PayPal, the global digital payment company, announced in October 2020 that it would soon launch cryptocurrency selling and buying features on its platform. PayPal is having around 350 million users who will now be able to use crypto as a means of payment. Another popular payment form, Venmo, is also owned by the company apart from PayPal. The massive 400 million users of Venmo will also be exposed to the use of cryptocurrency now. A positive stance is taken by many countries such as the USA, Japan, and Germany, etc., towards cryptocurrencies. Number 3. Easy accessibility to the public. Cryptocurrency can be used both as a mode of exchange and a store of value. Apart from using it for transactions, many people convert cash into crypto because of its deflationary nature. People consider it a guard against inflation and a better store of value. More and more people are becoming a fan of cryptocurrency because it is more accessible to the public. Number 4. World's major conflict zones. Cryptocurrency is rising in the world's major conflict zones. People are favoring crypto in such zones. They are doing so because of the safe nature of crypto. I hope you would now know why crypto is gaining massive popularity among investors and the reasons behind its success. For more informative videos on the latest trends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and comment that you have subscribed, and I will personally reply to your comment. See you in the next videos.